And for another Laplace transformation, we have the Laplace transformation of t times e raised to at u of t. So, evaluating our Laplace transformation, we have the improper integral of t times e raised to at u of t e raised to negative st dt, and combining or simplifying our expressions, we have the improper integral of t times e raised to negative quantity s minus at u of t dt. So we have two different parts. In our improper integration, we will use the tic-tac-toe method, having the derivative parts and the integral parts. So we have t in the derivative part and e raised to negative s minus 8 times t in the integrating part. So performing our tic-tac-toe method, we have the derivative of t, which is 1, and the derivative of a constant is 0. And remember to have the pattern of a positive, negative, or unalternating forms of signs. And we have in the integrations, we have e raised to negative quantity s minus at. Integrating it, we have negative 1 over s minus a times e raised to negative quantity s minus at. And integrating it again, we have 1 over s minus a squared times e raised to negative s minus at using the power formula. And now we will combine the derivative and the integral parts as performed in our tic-tac-toe method. So we'll combine t times negative 1 over s minus a times e raised to negative s minus at here in the form of this, and negative 1 times 1 over s minus a squared times e raised to negative s minus a times t. We have this in this form, and performing the limits of our improper integral. So we'll have to substitute our limits. So we have 0 minus 0 minus quantity 0 minus 1 over s minus a squared in our evaluation. Since we have e raised to negative quantity s minus a t, when we have the limits of 0, e raised to 0 is equal to 1 times 0 is equal to 0, as well as a positive infinity, a very large number when raised in e, will be having 0, or will be having 1, or it will approach as 0. And minus e raised to negative quantity s minus a times t will have, when we raise it into 0, we'll give it 1, and when we raise it to a very large number, it becomes 0. That's why our remaining part in the expression is equal to 1 over s minus a squared. And simplifying this expression, in order to get the Laplace transform of this function, we have, so this is equal to 0. Distributing our negative sign, we'll have a positive 1 over s minus a squared. So simplifying the expression, we have the Laplace transform of t times e raised to at u of t equal to 1 over s minus a squared.